Hey guys, you're in for a treat. I've got a brand new subscription box right here. This is called Boxy Momma. This is a monthly subscription box for moms. Basically, they include really nice like lifestyle, home decor, jewelry, stationery, all that kind of stuff. Just like a nice treat for you as a mom. So they do have two subscription options. There's the mailer that has 2 to 3 items. That is, I think $19.99 monthly. Of course, I forgot to write the price down. And then there is the monthly mom's box, which I think that this is because the mailer implies that it's an envelope. That includes 5 to 7 items and is $39.99. $1 of each box sold goes to support postpartum support. So which I think that's really, really cool that they have a philanthropic aspect of it. So I am excited. I don't know what's in here either. That's always the best part of a new subscription is you have no idea. Full of surprises. So you open it up and it looks like this. And it says, Dear Mama, thank you so much for joining our family. We truly appreciate you and look forward to bringing a smile to your face every month. You deserve it. This month I wanted to focus on reminding you that you are a badass. Don't ever forget it. You make your family's world go round and we are all in this together. Welcome to the tribe, Mama. You are a badass, Sarah. And then the back has some social sharing. Sorry for the ASS word, but not really. I mean, you guys all have heard it. All right. Let's see here. So we have this really cool tote bag. So this says Mama Bear. This is actually really cute. I'm going to take this. I use these bags for the library. I use them to like transport. Like we went camping last weekend. I used one for toiletries. It's where I kept all my vitamins and my deodorant. But this one is really cool because it says Mama Bear. So if you're taking your little chippies to the library, gotta represent. All right. What's in the box? So this is going to detail each of the items that we are getting. The back here has some care instructions. I don't see retail prices, so I will do a price breakdown on the blog. If you're interested in the full review, I'll be linking to that below. All right. I see a wooden plaque. Nothing is really lost until your mom can't find it. So this is actually from, and I always shout her out, Primitives by Kathy, who is not far from me, Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. So she's like a, you know, homie. All right, next we have another Primitives by Kathy. This is Mom Life is the Best Life, which is super cute, right? I love that she has a martini tattooed on her knuckles. Thinking about getting one myself. But this is really cute. A great way to add to a great addition to your refrigerator. All right. To one badass mom. This is a wish bracelet. I think I have one of these. leoandlovey.etsy.com. It's a make-a-wish. Close your eyes and make a wish as you tie this on your wrist. Once the tiny thread wears through, then your wish may soon come true. So there's that. Isn't that neat? I love its little flower. So anyway, there's that. We get a Boxy Momma sticker. It's a fox with a crown. Then we've got, oh, for fox's sake, fox with it, F-O-X. You fell asleep reading again. Mine is, I like fell asleep watching YouTube videos, but, because I read during the day. Because this will happen. So there's that. That's super cute. I have to hide bookmarks from my children, though, because they destroy them. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. All right, so next we have, is this a candle? This is from Flickering Fandoms. Treat Yourself scent. Calming eucalyptus. I couldn't figure out the word calming there for a minute. Mint, citrus, and jasmine. I love jasmine. I love florals. So here it is. Oh, it smells really clean and crisp. And Treat Yourself. You guys know, if you watch Parks and Recreation, I love Parks. Treat Yourself is Don Amigal and Tom Haverford have a special day every year where all they do is buy themselves what they want. Like fine leather goods, mimosas. I don't know if you watch the show. If any of you watched Parks and Rec, one of my favorites. Love that show. All right. So finally we have, I think that's it. Yes. This is a New York Times bestseller. I Just Want to Pee Alone. Oh my gosh. So this is the book, darn it. It's like a whole bunch of different mom bloggers got together and wrote this. I think one of them is Scary Mom or what, Scary Mommy or whatever. I think she's in here. So just to name a few, Rants for Mommyhood, Frugalista Blog, Ninja Mom, who I love, Binkies and Briefcases, Kelly's Break Room, House Talkin', Snark Fest, Nurse Mommy Laughs, The Mom of the Year, Cloudy with a Chance of Wine, and Reach Right. There's a whole bunch, but so they're just like funny little vignettes, things that you can read in a real like that, so you're not taking up too much of your children's time. Anyway, and that's what you're going to be using your bookmark for. If you're interested in the full review, I'm going to link to that below. I will also link to Boxy Momma so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!